Hello boys and girls, happy Halloween! Today we're going to open some trick or trade packs and this 10. Let's start with this awesome 10. We have 2 packs of Lost Origin, 1 Fusion Strike, and 2 Evolving Skies. Water Energy, Primate, Zarude, Delcatty, Skitty, Phalanx, Choodle, Vulture, Dewpider, and a Reverse Hollow Growlithe. Kamala, Thornton, Bronzong, Basculin, Makuhita, Rhyhorn, Apom, Roselia, Electric, and woo, a Giratina V-Star Gold! Nice! Let's put that in the sleeve. I need this card actually for a deck, so it's awesome pull. Alright, Bronzong, Riley, Nuzleaf, Litleo, Mingfu, Litwick, Snover, Rhyhorn. Oh, and a Radiant Gardevoir. Oh, and an Enamorous V. Wow. Double hit in this pack. Put those in some sleeves. That's a very lovely Radiant. And this Enamorous V, you get a sleeve too. 2 Evolving Skies to go. Here we go. Treasure Energy, Digging Gloves, Palpitoad, Hippopotamus, a Bass, a Glossifer, Woobat, is a Rude, and oh, Flample, Lombre, Lucky Ice Pop, Scrafty is Crafty, Burgemite, Nickit, Lillipup, another Hippopotamus, another Bass, Reverse Hollow Gordy, and an Ampharos V. Alright, getting into our trick or trade packs. I only have 3 today. Gave the rest to my niece and nephew. The hollows in the front, so 1 in the back. Poltergeist, and a Hatterene. Very nice. Next pack. 3 cards. The hollows in the front, so 1 to the back. You got a Spider, a Ghastly, and a Chandelure. Very nice. Alright, last pack of our Trick or Trade Halloween special packs. Move the hollow to the back and let's see what we get. Fans are up. Haunter and a Gengar. Very nice. Alright, recap. Ghastly, Haunter, and Gengar. Definitely my favorite ghost Pokemon. And Growlithe. I love Growlithe. We have an Enamorous V, followed by a Radiant Gardevoir. What a nice hollow pattern on that Gardevoir. Followed by a Giratina V. And last but not least, our Giratina V-Star Gold. What a great opening, guys. Here's some code cards for those of you who play online. Use those up. Get you some stuff. Well, happy Halloween, folks. Until next time, adios.